Okay, so we're making a new greenhouse here. Let's see if we can grow something in the new design. Here's the old design. You know, greenhouse you can buy at Harbor Freight any old day of the week. Inside, we've added an aquaponics system. The rail goes all the way around. It's sealed so it doesn't leak. All the extra water is me splashing in it. And then 5 little holes to allow it to drain into the bucket where the pump is. Right now we're cycling the water, seeing if we can get all the impurities out. Let it go that way for a day or two, and then it'll wind up being one of these that she's looking at. This one's growing pretty good. It's got the fish in there. You can see the catfish. There's a big one. There's another big one. They've been in here a few months now, 2-3 months. And well, it's on its way.